Welcome to all. Let's start my session. Today we are going to discuss about internet and its applications. Fourth unit, hypertext markup language, that is simplified form of HTML. HTML means hypertext markup language. What are the possible questions are asked for the examinations? Mean structure of HTML document. Next, mention any two sections available in HTML document structure. Then, what is the purpose of headers? Then, specifies the different types of headings in HTML. Then, define linking. Next question, what is anchor tag? Next, define line break. What is the which tag is used to break the lines in HTML document? Define unordered list. Like the possible 2 marks are expected in the examinations, let's we discuss one by one. The structure of HTML document. The HTML document is consisting of basic HTML head, within a head tag, title, within a title tag we can specify the title of the HTML document. After completing the head section, another section is there in HTML document. Second one is body section. Within a body section we can use the tags. What are the tags or what are the elements are used in body section or displayed in the web page? The body section will be begins by using the body tag and closed by using the closing body tag. That will be displayed in this page. Example for a simple HTML document is heading HTML head. Within a head tag we can include the title tag. Within a title tag we can specify the title of the HTML document. Here we mentioned welcome to MU college is as a title for the HTML document. After closing the head tag, we can start the body section by using the body tag. In that body tag we mentioned the text like courses offered BA Corporate Economics, BSc Mathematics and BSc Computer Science. That is, what are the two sections mentioned in HTML document structure? Means there is two sections. First one is heading section and second one is body section. The heading section which is used to mention the title of the HTML document. Second, the body section which is used to display the contents of the web page. That there is two sections in HTML document. First one is body section. Second one is head section. Head section which is used to display the heading of the HTML document and body section is used to display the contents of the web page. Second 2 mark is headers. Headers. By using this headers concept we can ask the following questions. What is the purpose of headers and specifies the different types of headings in HTML? First one is what is the purpose of headers? Why we are using headers in HTML? The headers are used to give headings in the HTML document. The header tags are header sections which is used to give headings to the HTML document. Specifies the different types of headings in HTML means there are 6 levels of HTML elements are there in HTML. Heading elements are there in HTML. 6 HTML heading elements are there in. There is first starts from H1 to H6. The most important HTML document, the most important we can see the example described in this page. HTML head, within a head title, the title which specifies the title of the web page, creating links. After closing the heading element, we can start the body element. Within a body element, we are including h1 element. After that, paragraph element. In paragraph element, we are mentioned anchor element. Anchor element, the mandatory attribute is href. The URL value is http://www.unam .ac.in. After that, click here is the link text. After clicking the link text, the page will be transformed to the anom.ac.in page. Like that, after clicking the Gmail link text, Gmail is click here, Gmail, Yahoo, these are the link text. It is used with the anchor element. After clicking the link text, it will transform the URL page. The output will be displayed like this. Next 2 mark is what is the element used in HTML to break the lines or define line break? These are the possible 2 marks in this line break section. The line break is used to break the continuous lines or break the 2 lines separately. For that, in HTML, we are using one element called BR tag. BR tag is used to break the line's continuousness. Syntax for this is within a HTML element or within a line, we can include BR element. Example, HTML head title is line break, heading after closing the heading section, we can start the body section. St. Joseph College of Arts and Science and Autonomous and St. Joseph College Road, BR tag, Kallur, body tag closed. After closing body tag, we can close the HTML tags. The output will be displayed like this. Without using the BR element, the output is St. Joseph College of Arts and Science Autonomous, St. Joseph College Road, Kallur 607001. Like that, it will be displayed. If we are included BR element, so that the lines will be breaked. That is, the lines will be separated by each other. Next question will be, what is list or what is unordered list? The list in HTML document or HTML is used to list the group of elements. To display the group of elements in a web page, the list element is used. The list elements is noted as within opening and angle tag li. Li is used to display the group of elements. There are 3 types of list. The types of HTML list means there are 3 types of HTML list is there in HTML. First one is order list, second one is unordered list, third one is the definition list. Here the unordered list is described. The unordered list means in Word we are all know about the numbering and bullet symbols. Ordered means in Word we are using numbering now. That concept is for order list, and here in order list we have to mention OL. And unordered list means there bullets concept is there in Word, no? Same, the bullets is placed by using the unordered list. Unordered list means UL. There are preceded by any one of the following bullets: circle, disc, square. We can also design our own bullet symbols. The general format for using the unordered list is UL type equal to value, list 1, list 2, list 3, closing UL. The same general format is used for order list, except For UL, we have to use OL. After closing also, we have to use OL. That is, thank you.